my viewers. Good morning, my viewers. This is Ayodele Samuel Jude, aka Samuel Dino, the founder of Smart Tutorial on Facebook. In our previous uploads, we've discussed about the coefficients and identifications of terms, and in our previous videos we explained that coefficients, they are the number attached to terms, or they are the numbers attached to the variables. We also talked about like terms and how to identify like terms and unlike terms. Today we'll be looking at addition and subtraction. Under addition and subtraction, there are some basics that students need to get. When you get it right, those basics will help you to be able to add and subtract simple arithmetics, which will subsequently boost your ability to add and subtract complex one. So today we'll just be looking at some of the factors that you need to consider when you are adding and subtracting. First and foremost, I want to let you know that additions and subtractions deals with the coefficients only. You only add and subtract coefficients of similar items. That is, the coefficients of similar items are bound to be added or subtracted. If they are not similar items, you cannot add or subtract their coefficients. And your answer must always be in singular form. What am I trying to say? For example, we have 1 banana plus 2 banana. It's going to give you 3 bananas. Yes, in English, it's totally very right. But if you keep that techniques in mathematics, you are going to miss it out. For example, if you are asked to add 1s plus 1s, that is 2x. Are you going to tell them 2x's? No. So your answer in mathematics, when you are doing your addition and subtraction, it must be in singular form. Only the coefficients, you manipulate the coefficients. That is 1s plus 1s, 2s. You see that the s is the item. The items there is x. It's not changing. So it's still very, you have to take note that your answer there in the singular form. Another thing you have to take note when you are doing addition and subtraction is you have to note the like and the unlike terms. Remember, in addition and subtraction, you manipulate the coefficients of similar items. Like terms, that is similar items. Now, you have to take note that only the like terms that are solvable, that is, you can manipulate the coefficient, while the unlike terms will still remain like that. What am I trying to say in essence? S plus 2x plus c, 3 items. X plus 2x plus c. S and s, they are similar items. C is different. So the coefficient of this x is 1x. The coefficient of this x is 2x. That is, you can add this, you cannot add this plus this. So this one will give you 1s plus 2s will give you what? 3x. This plus, you have to put it there. You can't throw it away. It's still part of your answer, but it will remain like this. Are we together? So that is just it. That is this x and 2x. What the items here is still x. Is x, though it's not just x, double. That is x 2x. Why this one is what? 1s. So pen and pen is 1 pen and 2 pen. They are still, you can still add them together. The same thing applies here. That is, these are what? Like terms. Now, x and c, they are not unlike terms. So the answer will remain like this. So the other items you have to take note when you are adding is the alphabet and its power. Oh, the first one is alphabet and its cases. That is, a capital letter is different from small letter, even though if the alphabet are the same alphabet. For example, we have Y plus capital letter Y. You cannot add them together. They don't look alike. They are what? Unlike terms. So you cannot add them together. The answer will still remain as what? Y plus Y. The same thing is applicable to minus. Don't forget addition and subtractions. That is what we are trying to look at here. So look at, let's have another look at alphabet. Now we have treated alphabet and its cases. The other one is alphabet and its power. S square plus y square minus 4y square plus y. Don't forget this is capital letter Y. So this is Y, this is capital letter Y, this is Y. Now let me tell you. This y square and y square here, they are like terms. It's different from this y. This y is only having one. So this y is different. They are not what? They are not like terms. So the only like terms we have here is only this. That is 1 minus 4 y square. That is, this will give us, this is 1 minus 4. That is, it's going to give us what? Minus 3y square. Minus 3y square. So it remains this plus what? Plus y. And this one is what? S square. Now, what I used to remember this is just like, if I'm Samuel, I'm having one head. If they bring another Samuel of the same face and join our heads together, I'm having double heads. Do I look like Samuel again? Will you be there? You will not wait for me if I'm coming towards you. If my head suddenly become two, this face and another face. So that is just it. So the head is because this one is like a double face Y. This is a double face Y. So this one is what? Singular face. So they don't look alike. So that is just the logic. When you are adding, that is this y square and this y square, they look alike. Why this y is different? S square, there is no x. Even s square and s, they are not the same. They are not like terms. You cannot add or subtract them. And remember, addition and subtraction you can only manipulate the coefficient, the number attached to it. The number here is 1, the number here is 1, the number here is 4, the number here is 1. So that is why 1 minus 4, because they look alike. So you write the answer, you still bring this one down because they are still part of the answer. The other one we have log. Logarithm I've explained in my previous video. You can check for it under coefficients and identification of log, like terms and unlike terms. The logarithm, the number and the base must be the same before you can add them. Also in SOD, the number must be the same before you can add them. Let me just give a very brief example regarding to that. That is, let's have log 3. Log 3. Let's have log 3 base 5. Don't forget, you pronounce log in this format. Log 3 base 5. This is the base. This is the number. Plus 3 log 4 is 3 minus 2 log 3 base 5. If you look at this, log 3 base 5, log 3 base 5, these are the like terms. So this is different. So you cannot add this. So these are the only thing you can add and subtract. This is 1, this is 2. 1 minus 2 will give you what? Minus 1 log 3 base 5. So then you bring your answer down. You can write it here or write it there. Don't forget the minus belong to this one. So this one is having plus 3. Plus 3 is still the same thing as 3. So which is what? 3 log 3 base what? Base 4. That is what? That is our answer. That is, this and this, they are like terms. Why this one is unlike terms? That is why we have it here. Are we together? For the last one, which is sword. Sword is in this format. Square root is the same thing as sword. You know, there are some numbers that cannot be, you can't find their square root offhand except with the use of your four-figure table and calculator. So if you come across such addition and subtraction and you don't have any calculator to solve it, you just have to brace up yourself and use the addition and subtraction. This is sword 3, root 3, sword 2, root 2. This one is sword 3, sword 3. So the sword 3 and the sword 3 here, they are like terms. This one is different. This one is unlike terms to this. This is 1, this is 5. Don't forget 1, 5. 1 minus 5. That is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 root 3. That is, this and this are the same. This is a different terms entirely, so you just bring it down, which you cannot add together. So that is just that. Because of our time and people that don't have much data won't be able to do much for today, but you can always contact us to break it down for you with there is arrangements on how to manage your data. I know that we don't really have much data, so that is why I'm just trying to round it up here. We can still give more. There are still a lot to learn from addition and subtraction. Always contact us. We are always available on Facebook. You can send us message, and also you can personalize our service, Smart Tutorial, through your messages. We will definitely replies to you. So try to chat us up, send us message to personalize our service. We are always available for you to break and make mathematics simpler for you. Thank you once again. I'm Samuel Ayodele.